Enter into this nostalgic private garden oasis on a quiet street in a friendly, safe neighborhood. Nestled away on a calm cul-de-sac, this hardy property offers the perfect balance of comfort, privacy, and functionality with room to grow. Plus, native drought-resistant landscaping and vibrant bird life. The oversized windows welcome an abundance of natural light to highlight the flowing floor plan, allowing for an open feel while maintaining a warmth that's delightfully cozy. Enjoy ample storage with 3 spacious walk-in closets, several linen closets, and an ample pantry. A true gardener's dream with an outdoor shed, gazebo, a 10x10 detached studio office, sitting next to a sprawling vine-covered pergola patio, perfect for entertaining. This charming single-story home sits on a beautifully wooded half-acre lot with 24 mature trees, including oak, fig, pear, pepper, magnolia, and crepe myrtle. Once you've tended your garden, head down the street to splish and splash in the private community pool. So cool. Douglas Goff, opening doors for your lifestyle. I'm here when you need me.